White shoes are stylish and versatile, but they can be a challenge to keep clean and pristine. Whether it's sneakers, canvas shoes, or leather footwear, white shoes tend to show dirt and stains more prominently. However, with the right techniques and a bit of effort, you can easily restore their original brightness and keep them looking fresh. In this comprehensive step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of cleaning your white shoes effectively. So stay tuned till end of the video and don't miss any of these. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before you start the cleaning process, make sure you have all the necessary supplies ready. Soft bristle brush, for gently scrubbing away loose dirt and debris. Microfiber cloth, ideal for wiping and drying without leaving lint or scratches. Mild soap, use a gentle, non-abrasive soap or a specialized shoe cleaner. Water, plain water is the primary cleaning agent for many types of white shoes. Toothbrush, a soft bristle toothbrush works well for reaching into crevices and seams. Baking soda, for deodorizing and tackling tougher stains. White vinegar, effective for removing odors and certain stains. Magic eraser, for leather, helps remove scuffs and marks on leather shoes. Hairspray, for canvas, can help remove stubborn stains from canvas shoes. Rubbing alcohol, for sneakers, useful for stubborn stains and dirt on rubber or fabric areas. Step 2. Remove surface dirt. Begin by using a soft bristle brush to gently remove any loose dirt and debris from the surface of your white shoes. This step helps prevent dirt from being ground into the material during the cleaning process. Step 3. Test in a hidden area. Before proceeding, test any cleaning solution or method in a small, inconspicuous area of your shoes to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration or damage. Before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Step 4. Basic cleaning. For canvas shoes, mix mild soap with water to create a soapy solution. Dip a soft cloth into the solution and gently scrub the canvas areas of the shoes. For stubborn stains, use a mixture of baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the stained areas and gently scrub with a toothbrush. Wipe off any residue with a clean, damp cloth. Allow the shoes to air dry. For leather shoes, wipe the surface of the leather shoes with a clean, damp microfiber cloth to remove surface dust. If there are scuffs or marks, use a magic eraser to gently rub them away. Create a mixture of mild soap and water, then dip a cloth in the solution and wring it out well. Gently wipe down the leather portions of the shoes, being careful not to oversaturate the leather. Wipe off any soap residue with a clean, damp cloth. Allow the shoes to air dry away from direct sunlight or heat sources. For sneakers, remove the shoelaces and wash them separately. Create a mixture of mild soap and water in a bowl. Dip a toothbrush into the soapy solution and gently scrub the rubber and fabric parts of the sneakers. For stubborn stains, consider using a mixture of rubbing alcohol and water. Test it on a small area first. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe off any soapy residue. Allow the sneakers to air dry and avoid direct sunlight or heat sources. Step 5. Tackle odors. To remove odors from your shoes, use one of the following methods. Baking soda. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside the shoes and leave it overnight. Shake out the baking soda the next day. White vinegar. Dampen a cloth with white vinegar and wipe down the insides of the shoes. Allow them to air dry. Step 6. Finishing touches. Once your white shoes are dry, give them a final once-over with a soft bristle brush to restore texture and fluff any fabric. Replace the shoelaces if necessary. Step 7. Preventative measures. To keep your white shoes looking fresh for longer, consider these preventative measures. Regular cleaning. Don't wait until your shoes are heavily soiled. Regular cleaning will prevent dirt and stains from building up. Avoid high-risk situations. Be cautious when wearing white shoes in environments where they're likely to get dirty, such as muddy areas or rainy days. Waterproofing spray. Apply a waterproofing spray to create a protective barrier against stains and moisture. Shoe trees. Use shoe trees to help your shoes maintain their shape and prevent creasing. White shoes can be a stylish addition to any outfit, but they require regular cleaning and care to stay looking their best. By following this step-by-step guide, you can effectively clean your white shoes and restore their original brightness and freshness. Remember to choose the appropriate cleaning methods based on the material of your shoes, and always test any new cleaning solution in a hidden area first. With proper maintenance and attention, your white shoes can continue to make a crisp and stylish statement. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Thanks for watching the video.